बेदर्दी तुझे दर्द बेदर्दी दर्द तोए बेदर्द बेदर्द आवे दर्द तोए दर्द न जावे बेदर्दी 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 तोए दर्द न जावे
To have you here, Tapanda, along with your entourage, Dhananjay Bhai, who I play with extensively. Dhananjay Bhai, welcome. And then everybody else on the stage. Tapanda received early training from the Arya Sangeeta Vidyapeeth of Kolkata and Sri Akhil Bandhu Ghosh. Tapanda is an exponent of several genres of Indian classical music, including Khayal, Tumri, Dadra, Tapa, classical bhajans, Bengali Raga Pradhan, and old-style devotional songs. His music is a judicious blend of technical complexity and tender emotions. Tapanda has received numerous awards. He's given various concerts, seminars, and workshops as an invited guest of musical and cultural organizations and educational institutions across North America and across Europe and across the globe. In 1984, he was the coordinator of a seminar and concert on the evolution of music in Bengal at the prestigious Bengal Studies Conference organized by the South Asian Studies Department of the University of Toronto. Well, let's just say he has an illustrious history of prestigious accomplishments, awards, and then he has a host of students that he has trained, and they are also presenting Hindustani classical music across North America. It's my delight to have Tapan Bhattacharya here amidst us today. Everyone, give a round of applause to Dr. Tapan Bhattacharya. Yeah! On the tabla today, we have Dhananjay Kunte. Everyone in Chicagoland knows Dhananjay Kunte. I have partnered with him for the past, how many years, Dhananjay bhai? 13, 14 years. And Dhananjay bhai is also part of my world music ensemble, Surabhi. We have toured the world together as part of the ensemble, and we are planning to go to India later this year with my band. So it's exciting to have you here, Dhananjay bhai. Thank you. And who's on harmonium? And who? Somnath Bhattacharya on harmonium. Tambura, Dr. Gayatri Mathur and Dr. Vijay Kilnani. I hope I said that right. Yes. We're delighted to have you here. Tapanda, what rag were you going to start with? Rag Gaur Sarang. Beautiful. Thank you. Gauda Sarang, right? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thanks, everybody.
In classical vocal music. We are going to start with the most predominant form of Hindustani vocal music, which is known as Khyal. Khyal means basically kalpana or imagination, and Khyal is a sort of freewheeling journey into the musical world. It's a wonderful form, but anyway, I'll give you the example because our time is limited. So we'll start with the Khyal, and it starts at slow tempo and then it builds up. And then after that, I will present a Thumri and then finally conclude with a bhajan. Now the song, Vilambit song, language is Pati Jharagaya, which means leaves are falling. Pati Jharagaya, Mai, Belaria. Leaves are falling, the bale flowers, they are blossoming. And so it gives a very beautiful picture of fall time. Now the Rag Gaur Sarang is one of the major forms of the ragas that belong to the Sarang family. And we know there are two families, many families of ragas. One is the Sarang family, another is the Mallar family, and so on. Gaur Sarang is a combination of 3 or 4 different ragas. So it's very challenging to sing that, and you will see that the shadows of different kinds of ragas come in and play. The Vilambit Bandesh, the structure of the song is in Vilambit Ektal, which is of 12 beats, and then we will go to a little faster tempo and the tarana. Pati Jharagaya, Belaria, sa ga 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 ma ga ni sa ga re ma ga pa ma pa da ma va da da ni ma va da ra pa ma pa ma ga pa va da da ni ma pa ga ma re ma ga pa re ga ni da sa ni sa ga re ma ga re ni sa ga re ma ga pa ma da ma ga ma re ma ga re sa ni sa pa de sa re ga pa de pa pa de 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 ya pa ni sa ga re ma ga pa ma da ma pa ga ma re ma ga pa re ga pa ma re ga ni sa ga re ma ga ma da ma pa ga ma re ma ga ma pa da ni ma pa da ma pa ga ma re ma ga ma ma re ga ni da pa sa re ga pa ga re ma ga pa re sa ja re ga ya pa de a pa de pa de pa de ga re ga ma re ga ni da re ni da ga re ma ga ni da ga re ma ga pa ma da ma pa ga ma re ma ga pa re ga ma pa da ni re sa ni sa re re sa ni sa pa ma pa da ni sa re re sa ni sa pa ma pa ni ma pa da ma pa ga ma re sa ga pa de sa ra pa de ja ra ga ya pa de ja ra ga ya pa de ja ra ga ya ja ra ga ya ja ra ga pa pa sa sa ni sa ma pa da ni sa ni re sa ma pa da ni sa ni sa da ni sa re re sa ni sa ni sa re sa ni sa ma pa da ma ga re ma ga re sa ni sa ma sa ni re sa re 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 sa ni sa ga 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 ma ma re sa ni sa ma ma re sa ni sa pa pa ma ga ma re sa ma ga ma re sa ni da ma da ma pa ga ma sa re ni sa ga re ma ga pa de ja ra pa de ja ra ga a a pa de ja ra ga ya pa de ja ra ga ya pa pa de ja ra pa de ja ra ga pa de a bana 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 phule bana bana phule Pati Jara Gaya Pati Jara Gaya Pati Jara Gare Dada Gare Maga Gare Dada Gare Maga Baba Dava Baba Gama Re Maga Bade Da Pati Jara Gaya Maga Baba Dava Dava Baba Reza Sani Reza Gare Maga Baba Dava Nida Niba Dava Baga Mare Maga Baba Reza Nida Zare Zada Gare Maga Nida Re Nida Gare Maga Gama Gama Mada Mabada Mabaga Mare Maga Mani Mabada Mabaga Maga Maga Pati Jare Palana lagi more Palana lagi more Athiya Ali bela Palana lagi more Palana lagi more Athiya Deo Palana lagi more Athiya Ali bela Piyu moradiya ghavara chayna dena aave badi bala china dinarana palana lage more agiya piyu palana lage more palana lage Alibena piyu moradiya ghavara chayna dena naave kadi bala china dinarana palana lagi more palana lagi Maga Baba Dava Nida Dani Nida Nida Dani Bala Maba Gama Maga Mare Zare Nida Nida Mama Reza Nida Gare Maga De Maga De Maga De Maga De De Zare Da Eo Balana Lagi Modi Lagi Ale Bela Balana Lagi Modi Balana Ni sagare maga bava ni sagare maga bava dama maga mare maga pani dama bava dama maga mare maga bava ni sa tani nani dama bava dama maga mare maga mare de maga de maga de maga bava dava de peyo balana lagu ga ga re da ni da ma re da ni da ga re ma ga pa ma re da ni da sa ma ga re da ni da ga re ma ga re da ni da ga re ma ga. The cluster of four swars, ga re ma ga, that's the identifying feature of this rag. Sa re ni za ga re ma ga re da ni za ga re ma ga ma re da ga re ma ga pa re da ga re ma ga ma da ma ba ga re ma ga ma ba da ma ba za le re da ni za da ni ba da ma ba ga ma re ga re ma ga ma re da ni pa la na la ge mo re pa la na la ge mo re ga ge a pa la na la ge mo pa la la ge pa la la ge Agya, banana lagi, banana lagi, body. Banana, beer, batika bale jawa sanne sawa, beer, batika bale jawa sanne sawa, biya sanne gayo, modi bitha. Umar dar sabina karad naibin ana palan lage more palan lage more la lage akhya bar lage la la bar balana lage pa la laga palan lage more palan akhiya palan palan lage palan lage more biu palan lage more akhiya biu palan lage more palan lage more palan palan Nizagare magaba manavarza Nizagare magaba manava nizazani nizazani bada maba gamare magare zaniza Magare zaniza Gare maga Manavare zaniza Palala Magare zaganila gare zare niza mamare niza gare maga niza gare maga baba daba niza zani niza gare niza baba bare mara niza gare maga baba daba niza zani niza baba bare maga bare niza baba ma ba da ba ma ba da ba da ma ba da ma ba ga ma re re da ni da pa da ni re da ni da ba ni re da ni da pa da ni re da ni da ni ba da ma ba ga ma re da ni da ba ga 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 ma re da ni da ga re ma ga ni da ga re ma ga ni da ga re ma ma ga sa ba la 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 de mo re ga pa la 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 ma ga ma re da pa ma re da da ni da da ba ni da da ba ma re da ni da ma ga re da ni da ga re ma ga pa ma ba da ma ba ga ma re ma ga ma ni da ni ma da ma ba ga ma re ga ba ma ma ni da ni ma da ga ma ga ni da ni ba da ma ba ga ma ga da ba ga ma re da re da re ni da da ma ba re ni da ni da ba da ma ba ga ma re da re da pa ma ga ga ba ma ni ni da ma da ma ba ga ma re ga re ma ga ma da ba ba re da ni da pa na la ge mo de pa ta ra dim ta no ta na de re na ta da re da ni da ra ta na da ra ta no ta na de re na ta da re da ni da ra de ta na da ni da ga re ma ga ba ma da ma re ma ga re da ta na pa da ni da ni da ni ba da ma ba ga ma re ma ga re ni da ga re ma ga ni da ga re ma ga ni da ga re ma ga da ra de ta no ta na de re na ta da re da ni da re ta na dir da na dir da na dir de re na dir da na dir da na dir da na dir da na dir dom ta na de ta dir dom ta na de sa ni da ga re ma re da ni da ba ma da ba ma ga ma re da ni da ga ba ma da ba ma ga ba ma ba da ma ba ga ma ga re ma ga re da ni da ni ga ma da ma ba ga ma re ma ga pa da ni da ba da ma ba ga ma re ma ga ni da ni ba da ma ba ga ma re ma ga ma ba da ma ba ga ma re ma ga pa ba ga ma re ni da ma ga re ba ma re da ni da ga ma re da ni da ga ma re da ni da ma ga te ta na dir da na ta na dir da na ta na de re na de ta de re na da de ta no ta na de re na ta da re da ni da re de ta na ga ni da ni da ga re da ni da pa ga ma re da ni da pa ga re ni da pa ma da ga ma re ga re da ta ra de ta na ma ba da ba sa ni da ba ni da ba re ma ga re da ta ra de ta na ma ba da ni da ba sa ni da ni da ba ma ba sa ni da ni da ni ba da ma ba ga ma re ma ga re da ni da pa sa ni re ma ga ta ra de ta na no ta na de ta na ta na ta na ta na de na dirdana dirdan dirdana dirdana dirdan dirdana dirdana dirdom 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 dom dom dana 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 nadir nadir dev dana dana nam dana dana nadir dana ni dana dana nata nata dev 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 da dir 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 dan dana dana mavada mava gama re maga pa mava mani gama re maga mani dani mava gama re maga mani dani mava gama re maga mava dani mani dani mada mava gama gani dani mada mava gama gada mani dani mada mava gama gani dani mada mava gama gada mava gama gama re ma gama re re da re da re da ni re da ni re da ni da ga re ma ga ma da ma da ma ga ma re ga re ma ga re da ni da da ra ti ta na ta na na dir dir na ta da re da ni da ra ti ta na da ra ti ta na da ra na. This is a thumri based on the rag Pillu. People sometimes say that thumri is a light classical music, and that's a wrong thing to say, because Khyal songs have got a rigid structural pattern. Singing a thumri is more challenging. It's a freewheeling experiment in the world of imagination and creativity. That's the beauty of a thumri. Now, thumri originated probably in the 11th or 12th century, and it was part of the dance music of Sanskrit drummers, 11th, 12th century. Over the millennium, over many centuries, many talented musicians, they started experimenting with the thumri, and it has become a specialized art form by its own right. So thumri is very unique in that sense. This thumri I am presenting to you is very, there are quite a few important things in this thumri. First of all, this song is based on Rupak Tal. The thumri is usually based on Teen Tal or Dadra or Kaharwa, which is a beat of 6 or 5, 6 or 4 or 8 or 16. But Rupak Tal is made with 7 beats. So this is very unique. And words are very mamuli, it's nothing much. It's saying that this is the season of Savan, which is the rainy season. So he's saying, oh my beloved, I've been waiting for you in the rain, you did not show up. And then it says in the Antara part, it says, you came to me in my dream and you stole my mind. And what did I get? I got tears in my eyes. See, somewhat very beautiful idea, but somewhat rustic language. So the Laga Rahi Eriye Savanaki. So that is the language. In case I forget. Rag Pillu, it goes like this. Ga za ni za sa ni da ba ma pa da ni za sa da ni da ba ma pa da ni ni za ga saga ga ga ma re ma ga ga ma pa da pa लाग रहे लाग लाग रही सावन गे झरी तेरी एम भिजत ऊना बिना खबर की खड़ी सावन की झरी तेरी मैं भिजत ऊना बिना खबर की खड़ी लाग रही लाग लाग रहे लाग रहे लाग रहे सावन 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 गई सावन गला सावन सावन लाग लाग रही सावन 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 लाग रहे सावन के सावन ni sa ni da pa da ni sa ga ma pa ga sa ga ma pa da ma pa ga ni sa ga ma pa ni sa pa ni sa Slavana Gelavana Rahi Sapana mein aaye piya mero mana le gayo सपना में आए पिया मेरो मन ले गयो रे दे गयो रे आसान गयो रे असुआन के झरे रे मैं भेजत पूना बीना कब खड़ी लग रही लग Padani Zadama Mama Mado Gama 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 Padani Dabama Padani Dabama Gama Badama Badama Gama 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 La Gama Badama Gama Gama Padani Dava Padare Zani Dava Pada Madhavagare Madhavagani Pada Maba Madhava Gama Gare Nizagani Niza Pada Madhavare Nida Davagani लाग रहे लागन सावन सावन के झरे सावन 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 के झरे सावन के झरे सावन 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 के झरे रही बेदर्दी तो ये दर्द न बेदर्दी तो ये दर्द न जाए बेदर्दी चितवन में चित बस कर लेनो 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 अब काहे को आँख चुराए अब काहे को आँख चुरावे अब काहे को आँख चुरावे दर्द तो दर्द न लागे बेदर्दी बेदर्द बेदर्द तो बेदर्द बेदर्द तो बेदर्द तो दर्द दर्द तो बेदर्द बेदर्द तो आवे दर्द तो दर्द न जावे बेदर्दी 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 दो बेदर्द तो दर्द न जावे बेदर्दी बेदर्दी तो दर्द न जावे दर्द लावे दर्द न जावे दर्दी तुझे दर्द न जावे कब की खड़ी द्वार पे तेरो कब कब की खड़ी द्वार पे तेरो बिना बिना देखे जिया घबरावे बिना देखे जिया घबरावे नारायण महबूब साबरे नारायण महबूब साबरे घायल कभी फिर गल बताओ घायल कभी फिर गल बतावे घायल कभी फिर गल बतावे बेदर्दी तो सागा बदा मदबा Gabani da padani bada madava gabadani dani bada madava regama badani da madani da zare zare ni zare ni da padani da mari ni re mani da da paga gapa ma paga ma ga gama pada pamaga gapada sa gana nama gapada sa gana gazana ni sada pagamara bedardi to dana bedardi pada mama mapa gamara saga mapa da mapa gama gapa magare magadare nizam pada ni bani da bad mama gapa da sam sani dani da gapa da ni dani sam pada ni sana gara ne da bagare re mani da bagare mar gana bedar bedardi to ye dardan rav bedardi 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 to dara de do dara dara nam dara de dara de toy dara dana jave चित बन में चित बस कर लीनो चित बन में चित बस कर लेनो अब काहे को आँख चुराए अब काहे को आँख चुरावे अब गाये गो आँख चुरावे दर दे तो दर दन जावे I'm so grateful to you. I got a wonderful, receptive audience. The poet Rabindranath Tagore once wrote 2 lines. Ekaki gayoker noheto gan gahite hobe duijone, which means that the singer doesn't sing alone. The singer and the listener both sing together. That's what I got tonight. I'm so grateful. Thank you.
Tapanda, it's overwhelmingly wonderful, wonderful concert. And you have brought the collective psyche of the entire Eastern Hemisphere through the music. And this collective music is very transcendental, very spiritual, and very soul-stirring. People say that we cannot capture on paper. It's true. We cannot capture on paper. But Tapanda, you have created a very wonderful symbiotic energy field with your concert here today. And I feel that knowing you for so many years, and I know that you have given the music more than 7 decades of your life. And that is what is sustaining the Sanatana Dharma, the Vedic Dharma of Bharat. And today, you are smiling at me, Tapanda. I want to say so many things, because whenever I go to his house, the whole house reverberates with music, and that is what I come for. And today, we are very honored, humbled by your presence and by your music. By profession, 3 PhDs, a basic scientist, a professor of otolaryngology. By passion, Pravritti Marg is a great singer, and he has brought such wonderful energy today here. And we are very, very grateful to you. We are very thankful to you, sir. And I have to say, I know Somnath as a young lad. Today he is a very celebrated artist, following father's footsteps and taking that journey. And Dhananjay, we have done so many concerts. Yesterday also, I was wondering, I didn't talk to you in person, but very, very happy you are here. Thank you. Thank you for supporting. And we have Dr. Vijay Khilnani and Geeta Mathur. I cannot miss out one name here. If you all heard a word by name Sneha Phala, result of a friendship. Jayashree Bhattacharya, where are you? You are supposed to be on the stage with tambura. Thank you, thank you. And today, Tapanda, again I keep calling you this because I feel very close. I feel that there are no more barriers. It's just a flow of energy from point A to point B, from you to us. Thank you for this. I hope we will have many. And I request Dr. Shelley. Did I see Madhusudan here today? Madhusudan Vedirmudi, is he here? I know he just came from Canada for this concert. Just for this concert he came. He is our long-standing member of Sapna. Has been for decades, he has been helping. And he is going on footpaths of Gundecha Drupad music style, and he disciple of Tapanda for many decades. And today we want to celebrate Srikala Purna, Dr. Tapan Bhattacharya here. Please come. Dr. Shelley, Sriram Sandhi, Madhusudan, please all three of you come forward. Tapanda, we have again and again, we would like to express our gratitude and appreciation for Tapan Bhattacharya ji. There is one shlok that is composed today. Bhattacharya Tapan Akhyo Hindustani Kalagrani. One more time, I will repeat. Bhattacharya Tapan Akhyo Hindustani Kalagrani Sangeeta Shastra Sampanna Srikala Purnatam Gataha. Sangeeta Shastra Sampanna Srikala Purnatam Gataha. Bhattacharya Tapan Akhyo Hindustani Kalagrani Sangeeta Shastra Sampanna Srikala Purnatam Gataha. You are facing the back. Again, sir, Tapanda, this is for you. Bhattacharya Tapan Akhyo Hindustani Kalagrani Sangeeta Shastra Sampanna Srikala Purnatam Gataha.
That's written by you.
Yes. Is Somnath, are you here? Please come. Somnath. Fathers, please. Thank you. Thank you all for being a wonderful audience. This is Mysore Swamiji, Sri 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 Ganapati Sachidananda Muni Swami Dattapeetham. And Swamiji this year is going to bring Dvisahasragala Gita Pathanam. It's a Gita Mahayajnam. All the 2,000 youngsters will be chanting without looking at the books. They are completely by-hearted and they will chant. And the whole city will reverberate with Gita mantra. And this is Gita Yajna that's going to be here in month of July. This is Swamiji's blessing. And this center here. And we have the president of the temple, Murali Garu, please come forward. president of this temple. And we are going to have Gita Mahayajna. Prelude to that, we have Shri Kalapurna Tapan Bhattacharya Gari Hindustani concert here. And I'm sure Swamiji will be watching all these programs through live. And we are very happy, we are very honored to be here. And thank you very much. And please, all of you, mark your dates. Please stay here. This is one of the most wonderful events because, as I mentioned, 7 decades of commitment and dedication and appreciation for Hindustani music. We need gurus like this. The wind beneath the wings for every one of us is musicians like Tapanda. He is the wind beneath the wings for all of us. And thank you all. Please, we'll be preparing for the next concert in 5 minutes, and please stay here. Thank you. And please hold for 1 second. I request our temple president and Dr. Shelley to honor all other guests. Dhananjay Kunti. Dhananjay. Dhananjay. Somnath, please come forward. Go on.
Oh, this. Oh, ये वाला. हाँ जी, हाँ जी. Thank you.
Somnath, please come. A very little token of appreciation. for- Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Please come forward.
Just a moment for you for participating. Thank you.
Dr. Kilnani.
Okay.
Okay. I'll give it to them. Jayashri, please come forward now.
His wife. His wife. I meant the other way around. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Tapanda.
Thank you. Thank you, Tapanji. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Oh, very kind.
No,
Very kind of.
Thanks for honoring us by your music.
Remember, you were the editor of my coming book, upcoming book.
She's the editor of.
I'm writing a textbook of Hindustani classical music, which will be published probably by the end of year. And I'm very proud to announce that Dr. Sarda Purna Santi has kindly agreed to be the editor of that book. So this will be my second book. The first book, Bhajan Malika, is already on Amazon. And this one, this text in Hindustani classical music, vocal, for beginners as well as for advanced performers, that will be, I'm hoping that by the end of the year, it will come out. And all my thanks to Dr. Santis.
Thank you, Tapanda. Thank you. We are very honored.